Okay, so here's what I did so far to launch my fashion label. I set up this TikTok account to document the process, and I've also set up an Instagram account. All these videos are going to be uploaded onto the Instagram account as Insta stories, and all those can be saved under highlights. I have a fashion business mentor, Julia Antofio, who has advised me that I should change this private TikTok account into a business account. And what that allows me to do is to add a link to my bio. Now, I don't have this link yet because I don't have a website. I don't know what my product is going to be, but I do know that in order to be able to add this link, I will need 1,000 subscribers. So I need your help. Please give me your love. Please follow me on this journey. I am so excited to see where this road takes us.